So today's problem, it's fixed now, and I don't want to take it apart again. But today's problem was the pump was pumping really slowly, and it was not brewing. And during this episode, I opened this, and that was a very bad idea because coffee actually came out of this nozzle. So what had happened is, in the brew group, there's that little plastic nozzle on the top, and it's got that little conical spring with a clear glass ball that's supposed to increase crema production. So what I did is I flipped it so that the ball was on top and the spring was on bottom, and that's not the way it goes. Apparently it'll cause a pressure buildup and that'll happen. So let me try to take this thing apart real quick to show you the part I'm talking about. So I tried flipping it the other way and I still got the same problem. So what I did is I clipped the spring shorter. And I'll show you where this piece is if I can get this thing out. Alright, so this nozzle is what I'm talking about here. I've already had sealing issues because that screw broke in the threads. On a previous video I talked about how I fixed that. But if you remove this, the ball goes on the bottom and the spring goes on top. So the small end of the spring goes on top and the big end of the spring goes on bottom. And yeah, like I said, my problem was just the spring was too long. It was providing too much tension, and it might have been caused by me. I might have actually pulled on that spring to make it longer, so don't do that. So I just clipped the spring so it was barely protruding above this, and I made sure the little O-ring there was in place. Tighten these screws back down and she's back in business. So there you go.